Thank you very much, MEC. Mayors that are here. I can see speakers are not here. Everybody's here. I don't want to waste time. I have told you, this is the year of implementation. We are just going to make sure that nothing else. And Mandela Day, I said it. You still remember? And I've told you, and here is now Operation Vala Zonke. And it is happening. All provinces are launching today. The minister is there, the MECs are there, everybody's there. We are implementing Sefora potholes. Even here in Free State, here is the MEC, very energetic. Sefora to close all potholes in the Free State, Utulo, within 6 months. After 6 months, Waka Museveni is the Premier. He just to come back and come and check the potholes. Now, if not, because the potholes, but I know that MEC is exactly going to do that. And what I like, this operation, Vala Zonke, it is also having high qualifier. It's even launching an echo, SANRAL, wherever you are, how openly a big pothole, don't just pass. Emma, take a photo and send it to Google, right? So that SANRAL must be able to see somewhere, somehow, there is this pothole. But what's about to go and close that pothole? It is potholes, but to us with this potholes. So let's make sure that we assist our people. Don't just pass. This time, don't take a photo just to say, oh, government day, but just take that photo to make sure that we stop this death, say it's a halang, and assist the government so that we must go there and close those potholes. But in Free State, we are very excited because indeed, comrade, our MEC is working. We have been complaining about the road between 20 and Frankfurt and Reis. Yesterday I was there, MEC, and I was very excited to see the road, busy, department is busy with the road and really, at least things are starting to happen. And I was also very excited to learn, to see who constant infusion school, Fentere, Lewinbeck, completed it, and very soon we'll be launching those roads. More than very soon. And I've learned that even the roads are constant animal, later on a fixed back, lady brand, forest back, di lukiswa, tseno hase operation Vala Zonke, di lukiswa, tender itswile, di lukiswa very soon. I think that is very good. And of course, the potholes, di kwalwa bo Bloemhof, bo Spray, bo Petersburg, many other roads. We are now busy starting to move to make sure that we are going to save our people, to be safe. So within this 6 months, it was a pity fella, the delaying, where the potholes. We don't want people who are now going to complain, but we want people that are going to work. So, but by Department of Roads, please make sure that we are not going to experience the death thing, but we're going to experience to save our trouble. No time, but now is the time for us to implement, to save our people. We are not going to have a long meeting now. Now is to go and Vala the potholes. That's exactly what is going to happen now. Please don't forget how Kopanali pothole. Stop, take a picture. Thank you very much. Hurrying, hello, Sebetang, Galibua. Halala operation Vala Zonke, halala. Thank you.